या रब है तेरा एहसान मैं तेरे दर पे कुर्बान
Islamabad, already known to Tilford's locals as the Holy Ground. This site became truly holy when purchased by the Ahmadiyya Muslim community in 1985. Hazrat Mirza Tahir Ahmed, Khalifa to Masih IV, may Allah be pleased with him, had a grand vision for these few acres of Surrey, and Allah the Almighty cultivated these fields with special blessings in the decades that followed. The first great spiritual crop to grow was that of the International Jalsa Salana, which became an annual highlight among this land's many religious events.
Ashhadu La ilaha illallah wahdahu
La sharika lahu.
So from 2003, the blessings of Khilafat continued when Allah the Almighty raised the healing hand of Hazrat Mirza Masroor Ahmed.
की नुसरत के लिए एक आसमां पर शोर है
Islamabad was able once more to host Khalifati Waqf.
अब गया वक्त खिज़ां आए हैं फल लाने के दिन
And then in 2019, a new honor. Allah the Almighty had granted this site a renovation that made it the perfect permanent home for Khilafati Ahmadiyyat. And so the global Ahmadiyya Muslim community celebrated and thanked their Creator once more.
की नुसरत के लिए एक आसमां पर शोर है
The move proved most timely, for 2020 brought new challenges. The world faced lockdown amid a health crisis the likes of which had not been seen in a century. Islamabad now provided a sanctuary of prayer and spiritual sermons guiding the global community through an hour of need.
दिल के अंधों दी के गुन गाने के दिन
May Allah the Almighty always grant His protection and mercy to beloved Azur, the people and grounds of Islamabad, and the Ahmadiyya Muslim community around the world.